I'm going to show you how you can put together a really easy dry pie crust mix. It's simple, and you can store it in your pantry just like you do your baking mix. So anyway, with that, this is very, very easy. In this bowl here, let me move this aside. In this bowl here, I've got 6 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon or 3 teaspoons of salt. And then I am going to add 2 cups of shortening. You can use lard. I'm just using the shortening. Okay. Then you're going to take your pastry blender and you're just going to start mixing this until it looks like coarse cornmeal. And it shouldn't take too long. It blends pretty well. This stuff is wonderful. And I make a lot of pies, so I always have some of this on hand. And I happen to be out because I used mine when I made my pot pies. But anyway, this is so nice to have in your pantry. Perfect pantry staple. Easy to put together, it's easy to use, and it saves a lot of time when you need to whip a pie together for your company or whatever. It's just a little shortcut here. And this will store in your pantry itself up to about 6 months. Now sometimes I put mine, if I don't plan on making pies too much, I will put mine in the freezer. And it'll stay in there for a long time. Okay, we're getting there. See how nice that's coming together? Just keep going until it is nice and coarse and blended. Okay, now I'll tell you real quick. When you use this, you can make 2 pie crusts with this. My arm feels like it's going to fall off. You can make 2 pie crusts with this with 2 cups of the mix and up to 6 tablespoons of ice cold water. You want ice cold water. Or else if you keep this in the freezer, you don't have to use ice water. But it just makes a pie crust so much better when you use ice water. Anyway, so you mix it all together with 2 cups of the mix and 4 to 6 tablespoons of ice water, and you'll have a beautiful double pie crust. Okay, I think I've got this all mixed up really well. Maybe not. Get that in there. Oh yeah, it's good. Okay, we're going to put that there. And I just am going to start putting this in my container. Okay. There we have it. That's simple. And that, friends, is nice. Perfect shortcut. Stores beautiful, and it turns out wonderful. Works perfect every time. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.